Have you heard about nanobrowser? It's this open source AI web automation tool that's shaking things up.
Yeah, I read it's like a free alternative to OpenAI Operator, right? That's pretty impressive.
Exactly, but what's super intriguing is that it runs entirely in your browser. No cloud services involved.
Wait, seriously. So all your data stays local. That's a game changer for privacy.
Right? And they've got flexible LLM options too. You can connect to various models based on your needs.
I love that. It feels like giving users more control over their AI experience. But how does that actually work?
Well, you can use different models for different agents, like having a planner and a navigator working together.
That's pretty cool. It's like having a digital assistant that knows exactly how to approach tasks.
Totally, and it can automate repetitive tasks, which can save so much time. Imagine not having to do mundane stuff.
Yeah, but doesn't that also raise concerns about over-reliance on automation? Like, what if it makes mistakes?
Good point. I guess that's where the multi-agent system comes in. Having specialized agents could help mitigate that.
True, but I wonder how effective these agents really are in real-world scenarios. Any examples?
They can do tasks like extracting news headlines or finding trending repositories on GitHub just by asking.
Wow, that's impressive. But does it always get it right? I mean, context is important, right?
Absolutely, it can ask contextual follow-up questions, which seems to enhance its accuracy.
That sounds promising, but what's the catch? Everything has trade-offs.
Well, while it's free, you do need to use your own API keys, so there are potential costs involved.
That's interesting. Still, it's way cheaper than other options. What about browser support?
Currently, it officially supports Chrome and Edge, which makes it a bit limited for other users.
Right, that's a downside. I guess they should work on expanding that for wider accessibility.
Exactly, and they're also building a community around it, which is great for shared learning.
Community input can be a huge advantage. It makes the tool evolve based on user needs.
For sure, but I'm curious how they handle security. Open source projects can sometimes be risky.
Oh, they have a note about vulnerabilities, encouraging responsible disclosure. That's reassuring.
Definitely, but do you think that's enough? Open source can still attract attention from malicious actors.
Fair point. Transparency is good, but users need to be vigilant too. There's a balance to strike.
Well, if they keep refining it and listening to feedback, it can become a really solid tool.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see how it evolves. Any standout features you think will be game changers?
The multi-agent collaboration is huge. It could redefine how we approach web tasks.
And if they improve user customization with LLMs, that could really set them apart.
Exactly, but we should also watch for limitations in performance and potential errors.
Right, balancing performance with cost is tricky too, especially if it's running locally.
They seem aware of that, offering various configurations for better performance or cost.
That's smart. It encourages experimentation, but users need to know what they're getting into.
Totally, it's all about expectations, and the community sharing experiences can help too.
Yeah, I love the idea of sharing use cases. It makes the tech more relatable.
For sure, imagine seeing real-world examples of how it saves time and effort.
That's what we need. Real examples to understand its impact better.
So are you planning to try it out? It sounds like it could be fun.
You know what? I think I might. I'm curious to see how well it performs.
Awesome, and if you find something interesting, we should definitely discuss it.
Absolutely. I love the idea of discovering its potential together.
Great, it'll be like our little experiment in AI web automation.
I'm in, let's see how this unfolds. It's an exciting time for tech.